Hello guys, again welcome to my channel Mad Aces. So today I brought you an amazing trick, the pain vanishing trick, which looks something like this. So the pain has completely vanished in the 3 minutes. So how are we gonna perform this trick? So for performing this, you're gonna need a pen which looks something like this, and the pen, keep one thing in mind, this pen should be, you know what, thin, so you can perform it nicely. So what you wanna do in this trick, with your thumb, you are with your middle finger, you just right hand middle finger, you are just gonna push this pen backward. Your right hand middle finger, you are just gonna push this pen backward, and with your left hand thumb, you are just gonna apply pressure to the front. So the pressure is applied from opposite direction from both the hand, which makes the pen to flick more faster. Do you understand? It makes the pen to flick more faster. You can also do this with one hand by just using your thumb, but using your middle finger. But when you put pressure by your thumb, it looks more magical because it gets more speed and pressure, which disappeared in just a millisecond, make it disappeared in just a millisecond. So that's the trick. So let's jump to the next trick. First thing you have to keep in mind, you are gonna practice this thing over and over to get this trick down perfectly. So this is the second trick. See, I have a pen. If I just push this pen right through my finger, it changes color magically. So here is the tutorial for this trick. So how you are going to perform this trick? For this trick, you are going to need two pen with a different color. I had chosen one orange and one yellow. You can choose any color. So what you are going to do with left hand, you are going to just hold this pen between with your these three finger, middle finger, ring finger and pinky finger, and with your hold the top pen with your pointer and thumb, and you are gonna just release the pen like this, so the pen will fall down. See, you are gonna hold the pen in your left hand, understand, yellow pen, and then the orange pen you are gonna hold in your right hand, and you are gonna perform the flick stick move which I taught you in the first video, in which I told you how to invisible. So in slow motion it look like this, that pen just goes forward and simultaneously you show this yellow pen. So it would, if you do fast, it would look like this. So if you are gonna just know this by practicing, practice makes this move perfect. So the third trick on the list is, which look like something like this. See, have a look at this coin. If I just tap this like this, the coin magically disappear, but the coin is not actually disappeared, it was actually hidden in the cap. So let's jump to the tutorial. So how we are gonna do this trick? This trick actually needs a lot of practice. So how we are gonna perform this trick? This also needs some practice. So how to perform this? When you do this trick, you are actually stealing the coin. See, if you can see, I perform it little slowly with your this sneaky three fingers. See, now you can see it in camera. You are stealing this coin with your sneaky little three fingers, which is middle thumb, ring finger and pinky finger. What you are gonna do, you are hold the coin in your left hand and then just move the hand downward. So due to gravity, when you fastly move your hand downward, the coin stays up, the coin stays up, and that's the time when your right hand comes in and snoops the coin away. So that's what you are gonna do. So that's what you are gonna do. You are just gonna snooping the coin away with your these three fingers. Also need a lot of practice. You gonna need to practice this trick in front of mirror much a lot to get this trick perfectly right. So let's jump to the next trick, which looks something like this. I have a pen in my hand, and if I just take this cap out and put it back again, and see, if I just remove this cap like this, the cap actually magically disappears, but it's not disappeared, it's actually jumps right to the other end. See, this way. So that's the pen trick, which look like this. So how to perform this trick? You are gonna first put the cap on the top, then hold the pen in this hand, and then while you gesture with your left hand, you are gonna steal the pen with your right hand while covering the part of the cap, and you are gonna steal the cap. See, it's still in your left hand. You are gonna keep the cap in your left hand, stealing the pen. See, this way you steal the pen, keep the cap in your just in the left hand. Then you again attach the pen to the cap and do the action of removing the cap, and then showing the hand empty. See, if you do this fast, it would look something like this. While gesturing, you are just gonna steal the pen with your right hand, then put the cap on, then remove the cap, it is invisible the cap, and then the cap appears on this side. So fast it looks like this. On the list is this, the disappear pen. The pen actually travels in the cap, and then again the pen magically reappears just this way. The pen reappears magically. So that's the trick. Let's jump to the tutorial. So how we are gonna perform this magical effect. So to performing this, you are again gonna use the flick stick move. I know you had got it already how to perform this trick. So all this pen trick basically uses just one move, which is the flick stick move, which you are gonna need to master better and better. You have to get better in this move, which is the flip stick move. That's the one thing you gotta keep in mind. And then you are gonna again push this pen with your middle finger in this hand when you appear this pen back on. So that's all the 5 pen tricks. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.